Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Microquant here. It is January 28th, 2014. Just wanted to give you a quick update about cotton and the setup that we had on the 22nd. So for those of you that follow us on YouTube, we had a very nice setup in cotton saying that we should start heading lower here pretty soon. We had what we call a hanging man there on our dailies on the 22nd when we posted the video. We said we had a profit target on the shorts on cotton down at 84, and you can see yesterday we actually came down and hit that. Today we're just consolidating a little bit after that sell-off, but that worked out really well. So for those of you that took the short off the hanging man last week, you're now up a little over $2,000 a contract, because that was all the way up at 88 when we were making that video and when we were talking about it in the trading rooms. The reason we were looking to be bearish is because if you look at a longer term trend line on a weekly chart, you were actually retesting a weekly trend line. You can see here on the weekly, we came right up to it and tested that weekly trend line going back, dating back from the middle of 2012. It came back up. We had broken through it a couple months ago. We came back up and retested it last week. Then we had the hanging man on the daily, and so far, cotton started to come down a little bit. So now we're looking at cotton potentially coming down. The next support, if you look at your daily chart, is down around 82.39. If we can break through that, then we're looking for it to come all the way down to a low around 76. Where the most recent support is, and we could be looking at a longer term move to the downside here, because this is working out pretty well so far. And if you look at your weeklies, again, you broke the weekly and monthly trend line, retested it to the tick, and so far reversing and pulling back down. So we're still bearish cotton. For those of you still holding on to the shorts, great job, working out really well. You're already up over $2,000 a contract, so not bad for a couple of days. And we'll see if we can get this to continue to move in our direction. We'll be keeping you updated in the trading room and with the premium members videos on valuecharts.com. Don't forget to click to subscribe so you can get alerts to different trade setups like cotton. And until next time, happy trading.